because I can get a better angle of the house. We bought a new house and we're moved in. Let's see what it looks like. For privacy reasons, we're not going to show you guys the entire house. As we release videos, you'll see bits and pieces of it, but we're not going to do a full house tour. But what we will do is at least show you some of the places that we have updated since moving in. We painted the living room blue, got rid of that builder's grade beige. We also painted our dining room. This is going to be the D&D space. This is the study. It's going to have a board and batten wall. And this is the hallway. It's also going to have a board and batten wall. Now in the old house, you saw very often that my final shots were taken by these cabinets. So what we're going to do is build this into a feature wall of sorts. I want to do kind of like a French cleat system that I can move art around on here. So really all we've done so far in this house is move our stuff in and paint the main floor. The biggest project right now is 100% going to be the craft room, so let's go take a look at it. Welcome to the craft room, or at least what's going to be the craft room soon. We have a spot for the Glowforge. This is going to be my main recording desk. Where I'm standing is room for a very large island. Over here is going to be the 3D printing wall. We're going to have more desks extend along this bright red wall. This red wall is way too aggressive, so it's going to be painted something else. I don't know what yet, but something else. We will likely keep this TV mount here because it's kind of cool. These shelves are probably going to move somewhere else because I want to put up like wall control panels or cabinetry, but all TBD. Now the entire craft room project is going to be a video because of the fact that it is the entire space where we plan on continuing One Geeks Craft. But it's gonna take some time. We are redoing the flooring, we are adding cabinetry, we are altering lights, painting, adding countertops. There's a whole lot of work that's gonna be going through this room that hopefully we can get done quickly. But we also just moved in, and there's a lot of other stuff going on. So the goal is to slowly build this studio space back so I can at least get crafting again. So stay tuned for more, and hopefully soon I get to rip this carpeting out. Thanks guys, see you later. I really don't understand how you're this cute. Look at your tummy. Ah, you're a good kitty. You're a good kitty.